But whatever space you're doing, the time to become an expert and really hone your skill in that space is right now. Why? Because your capital partners, the money is going to go to competence. The money is no longer going to flow to good deals. During recessionary periods, money don't flow to good deals. Money flow to competent people. So become competent, become a master, become an expert, become the best that you can be in your market at whatever it is that you're playing in. If it's multifamily, be the master. If it's single family, be a master at that. If it's wholesaling, be a master of that. If you're playing in the mobile home space, be a master of that. If you're playing in the storage unit, be an expert at that. Become a master at whatever area in the space that you are playing in.